Another type of flat ground installation, concrete bases underground in the form of cubes, and concrete post that comes up. And on these concrete posts, the metallic structure lays down. Something very interesting about this particular technique. It allows air to flow from underneath, not only sideways in that tunnel, solving the heat pocket which is underneath the array, but also wind that coming from the bottom. So underneath this array, there is a turbulence. There are winds going from each direction. It's random. But at least we solve the problem of providing wind in other direction, so the speed of wind will be higher. If the speed of wind is higher, that means better ventilation. So it's very wise technique to bring that entire array up few tens of centimeters in order to allow air flowing underneath.